Hello guys, welcome. In the last video we have selected from the student table where the class ID is equals to the class that we have selected from the form. Okay, the class ID here. What I'm trying to do is that I want to return the parent ID inside the student table, that the class ID is equals to the class ID selected. Now that we have that parent ID, I am selecting from parent. Don't forget that this parent ID could be 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 IDs. Okay, so I am now selecting from the parent table where parent ID is equals to this parent ID, student parent ID. Okay, so I'm returning result array. So the next thing that I am going to do now is that I equally want to select from the student table. Actually, I can use single code to process that, but let's do it this way. So I am going to say that where the class ID, okay, is equals to, okay, is equals to the class ID. Okay, you know what? It's okay. So we can use this. Okay, so I am going to copy this. All right, is equals to class ID. Okay, so let's return result array. Beautiful. So now that we have the data that we want to send the SMS to their respective phone numbers, the next thing is to determine our message. Okay, so I am going to say that our message title, of course, is going to be this. So let me copy it so that you can see what we are doing. So I am going to say it is this. All right, and let me concatenate this. Okay, all right, so actually let me terminate that. I am going to say that message. Now normally I should type everything on a single line, but because I want to come to the next line, I am going to put dot equals to. So it means that this line of code is the continuation of this line of code. Beautiful. So I am going to say get phrase. Let me say on put dots to concatenate that. Okay, so what I want to do right now is that on the date that we have selected here, okay, beautiful, so I am going to terminate that. So now that we have the message title and the date, okay, don't forget that we have a variable called send date here. So I think we should use that, but before that we can equally give space here and paste it. Okay, so this is the date. Okay, so guys, the next thing is that I am going to say for each variable parent, this parents, this should be students. Let's call it student array. Okay, so for each parent as variable key, then is equals to, let me put parents here. Okay, so I need a variable. I want to call that receiver phone is equals to variable parent phone, terminate it. Okay, so now the next thing is that let's load our SMS model. Let's go there and pick this method, send SMS. So I am going to go there with the message and variable receiver phone number. Okay, then terminate that. Cool, right? So let's just copy this over again and paste it. So it is going to be for each student array as key is going to be student. Let me use that. I'm going to copy that and put student here. So which means that I want to send SMS twice. I am sending the SMS to the parent of this class where their student is in this class, and I'm also sending SMS to the student phone numbers so that both the parent of the student and the student will see the SMS. Okay, all right. So but before this code is the same thing I am going to copy for the update. Now guys, let me do something here. Okay, I am going to say that I need date. Let me say capital H column high, comma, then let me close the last bracket here. I'm going to use the same thing here, date, capital H for 24 hours and I, comma, and the same thing I am equally going to close the bracket. Okay, so we are good to go now. For the date we have XTR. So if you got time, you can now format this so that we can have very neat code. Okay, I'm just going to tab it. Okay, so this is professional now. So we have everything on a single code based for the Save Life class to database. Okay, so in the next video we are going to work with the edit and the delete. So thank you guys. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.